this is Stefan from the MyDataMerge team. Today I'm going to show you some of the extras options of MyDataMerge. In the export area, you have 4 tabs over here. You have a general file type, multiple records, and extras. Head over to the extras area. You have record filter, record sorting, Grep Text, and Automator. Automator I show you in a different video on our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you the record filter, the record sorting, and the Grep Text feature of MyDataMerge. In the record filter area, you can enable or disable the record filter. Please note, once you enable the filter, there's an additional icon down here where you can jump to the feature if you click on it. The second icon down here is the record sorting. So if I click on the icon, I'll jump to the record sorting. These icons will only appear if the options are enabled. As you can see, it disappears. Let's go back to the record filter. Once enabled, you can add a few filter criteria, and only the records that match these criteria will be in the rendered data. Let's check our data source. I have a 500 records data source. And if I say, please include only where the first name is Charissa, this will remove 499 of my 500 records and will result in total data records of 1, because there is only one data record in where the first name is Charissa. You can combine different filter criteria to get the data of your database you need. There's no need to pre-filter your data. Let MyDataMerge do that job. In the record sorting area, you can sort the records so they get another order. Therefore, you just select the column to sort after. Then you select the kind of sorting, like alphabetically ascending or descending, and the records will be sorted that way. The Grep Text feature is pretty interesting. It will come in handy when your data source contains text that you need to replace after the merge. The idea of MyDataMerge is that you do not have to change the data source you receive from your clients and let MyDataMerge handle the job. This is a pretty good kind of best practice so that you do not have to change data in the data source every time you get an updated data source file from your client, and let MyDataMerge handle that. Grep Text basically is the same thing than using the Grep Text, the Grep feature here. If you press Command F, you come in the Find and Change window of InDesign, and you can choose Grep here. You can find something you can use like regex or grep expressions, and you can change it to something else. These 2 fields you can also add to MyDataMerge, and MyDataMerge will execute these Grep Text replacements after the merge automatically. Once enabled, you get the icon down here to have a quick jump to the Grep Text feature over here. And then you can see there's one rule that's called remove spaces at the end of every story system. The system tells you that this is a rule that we delivered to you. As time goes by, we will add more rules that come in handy or are requested very often. To add your own rules, click on the gear icon, which will open the preferences of MyDataMerge and jump automatically to the Grep Text area over here. As you can see, the remove spaces at the end of every story is pre-selected, and you can see the rules that do the job down here. To add a new rule, press the plus sign, give it a title like replace XXX with YYY. Then we say grep find what, choose XXX and replace it with YYY. Save it, and it becomes available over here. Then you can activate it by clicking the button over here. And once you run the data merge, it will replace every instance of XXX with YYY, even in the whole document, not only in the placeholders you use for merging, but also in the whole document. You can use grep expressions also here. Please try every grep replacement in InDesign before using it and sending documents over to your clients. Because there's a lot of things you have to know about grep replacement. There are some special characters like the $sign. You have to escape with an inverted slash. And this is a nice feature. If you usually work with grep text replacements, you can use it now in MyDataMerge 2. For more information on MyDataMerge, visit mydatamerge.com or try it yourself by downloading it. Thank you very much.